How to delete videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your TikTok videos. So first of all, open TikTok app on your mobile device. And now make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon. So simply tap on it and now you'll be taken to your profile. So now in order to delete your video, all you have to do is simply tap on the video which you want to delete. After that, on the bottom right side of the screen, you can see various options. There you'll have to tap on the three dots which is right over here. After that, on the bottom side of the screen, you can see various options, namely analytics, save video, pin, and etc. So if you swipe to the left, on the right side of the screen, you can see the option named delete. So if you tap on it, there it will ask you to confirm your deletion. So if you tap on delete, your video will be successfully deleted from your profile. So that is basically how you delete your TikTok videos. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.